The West Region by Babyface, Zebra Crazy, and Baseball King 101.
States and capitals: Washington, Olympia; Oregon, Salem; California, Sacramento; Nevada, Carson City; Utah, Salt Lake City; Colorado, Denver; Wyoming, Cheyenne; Idaho, Boise; Montana, Helena; Alaska, Juneau; Hawaii, Honolulu. Boise, Idaho is 1,662.2 miles away from Salt Lake, Texas.
Landforms and features. Mount McKinley is the highest point in the U.S. The Colorado River carved out the Grand Canyon. The Columbia Plateau lies above the Great Basin. All of these landforms can be found in Texas except mountains.
Bodies of water. The Pacific Ocean borders the west side of the U.S. Great Salt Lake is near Salt Lake City, which is the capital of Utah. The Columbia River is by Mount Rainier, which is 14,410 feet high. Great Salt Lake is 1,269.4 miles away from Salt Lake, Texas.
Climate. The West is semi-dry and temperature varies with latitude. The West is mostly dry because it only has little water. The higher West is highlands with temperature and precipitation that vary with altitude. Most of our region and Texas are semi-dry, but some areas in Texas have a warm winter and hot summer.
Farming. Fruits and vegetables from these states end up on dinner tables and lunchboxes. Pineapples, sugarcane, and coffee are all major crops of Hawaii. Alaska also catches the most fish and seafood. The West region has a lot of cattle. Corn is also grown in Texas.
Mining and manufacturing. The animals in the West region don't need a lot of water. The town Butte, Montana is said to be the richest hill on earth. The West region has a vast supply of minerals and fossil fuels. The West region is rich with coal, oil, and gas. Yes, fossil fuels are mined in Texas. History of the region. 1941, California passed New York to become the state of the most people. California was the 31st state to enter the Union. It became that September 9, 1850. The Western Trail became the Western Trail in the 1840s.
Tourist attractions. Travelers could visit the Rocky Mountains, which are in Colorado, Wyoming, Idaho, Montana, Oregon, and Washington. Travelers could also visit Salt Lake City, which is in Utah. Also, they could visit Yellowstone National Park, which is in Wyoming. Travelers could visit Death Valley, which is in California. And finally, most people would like to visit Van and Ghost Town, which is in Montana. Fun fact, Hawaii is the 50th state to enter the Union.
5-0.
The Hawaiian state bird is the neem.
Tweet, tweet.
John Sutter, a businessman that ran a trading empire, was born in Hawaii.
Yeah.
Linus Pauling was born in Portland, Oregon, and he won a Nobel Prize.
What?
The agriculture in Utah is cattle, dairy products, hay, and turkeys.
I'm delicious.
Bibliography. United States and Neighbors, Chapter 2, Lesson 5, pages 62 through 67. www.50states.com, us50.com, enchantedlearning.com/USA/states, classroomclipart.com, and picsforlearning.com.